Hi guys, it's Jinjin here. Welcome back sa ating channel. So ngayon magsosolve na naman tayo ng another analytical problem for civil service exam. Okay, so meron tayo ditong question and mahirap to guys, no? So nakakahilo siya. So kung gusto nyong itry, i-pause nyo lang itong video natin. Okay, so start na natin. Three people, A, B, and C, make the following statements. A, sabi niya, B is lying. Sabi naman ni B, C is lying. And sabi ni C, A and B are both lying. Only one person is telling the truth. Who is telling the truth? Okay, so medyo magulo siya, no? Pero ang pinakamagandang gawin natin dito is mag-assume ng tamang sagot. Okay? So i-try natin isa-isa, no? So start tayo sa choice A. Let's assume na si choice A ang tamang sagot. So A only. So kung si A only or si A lang yung nagsasabi ng totoo, tignan natin. So truth si A, no? And sabi niya, B is lying. Therefore, tama siya, B is lying. Okay? And sabi naman ni B, C is lying. Since nagsisinungaling si B, babalik ta rin natin yan, magiging C is telling the truth. Okay? So based sa result natin, dalawa yung nagsasabi ng totoo. Si letter A and si letter C. Pero, hindi pwede yan kasi sabi sa statement, only one person is telling the truth. Okay? So, since dalawa to, X na kagad si choice A. Okay? So, try naman tayo ng ibang choices. So, itry naman natin guys si choice B. Assume natin na tama si choice B. So, B only. Okay? So, kung B lang yung nagsasabi ng totoo, truth na si B, ano bang sabi ni B? C is lying. Okay? So, lying na si C. Ngayon, ano bang sinabi ni C? A and B are both lying. So, since lying si C, ang pwedeng maging statement niya is A and B are both telling the truth or A is telling the truth while B is not telling the truth. Okay? Or pwede naman yung B yung nagsasabi ng totoo and yung A naman yung nagsisinungaling. Okay? So, wag na nating papansinin si B since si B is nagsasabi na siya ng totoo. Okay? So, pansinin natin guys si A. Sabi ni A, B is lying. Which is, nagsisinungaling siya kasi si B is truth na. Ibig sabihin, lying din si A. Okay? So, mapapansin nyo sa result guys na isa lang yung nagsasabi ng totoo which is si letter B. So, based sa condition natin na isa lang dapat yung nagsasabi ng totoo, ang nakasatisfy ng condition natin is si choice B. Okay? So, choice B yung tamang sagot. So, medyo magulo siya guys, no? Pero sana naintindihan nyo yung explanation natin. So, yun lang guys. Salamat sa panonood. Kita-kits tayo sa next video ko.